we go for today's session. I hope you can see the screen. Okay. Well, we have the 10th day of matrices. Topic is advancing very simple. We know what a matrix is. Its order, equality, operations, addition, scalar multiplication, and multiplication. We exercised a lot of questions associated with matrix multiplication. Okay. Yesterday we discussed some question regarding principle of mathematical induction also. Let us go with the topics. Transpose of a matrix. Transpose means simply interchange the rows and columns of the matrix. You get the transpose. The transpose of matrix A denoted by A dash, or some others write AT, A transpose AT. We are using A dash. Is the matrix obtained by interchanging its rows and columns. That means given a matrix, you interchange first row to first column, second row to second column, like that. If you have, that means if you have an M by N matrix, I can denote it Aij, M by N. Then A dash will be denoted as Aj, N by N. M by N, if it is a 2 by 3 matrix, when you take the transpose, it becomes 3 by 2. It becomes 3 by 2. If A is equal to, look at, it is a 2 by 3 matrix. 2, 3, 6, first row, 5 minus 3, 0, second row. What is A dash? A dash is obtained by. So 2, 3, 6 will be first column, and 5 minus 3, 0 will be the first row in the transpose. Rows and columns interchange, right? Or the first column 2, 5 is the first row there. 3 minus 3, second column is second row there, and hence you have the transpose. The third column 6, 0 is third row there. No doubt, transpose is obtained by simply interchanging the rows and columns. Let us go for first with the properties of transpose. Once if you take the transpose of the matrix, you take the transpose once again. What will you get? The same matrix back. Changing the rows and columns. Again interchange the rows and columns of that matrix, you get the same matrix. That is the transpose of A dash or A dash dash is A. It's obvious. We can easily show A plus B dash is nothing but A dash plus B dash, and a constant multiple K into A dash. K into A dash, that K has no effect. K will simply come out. It is simply as good as K multiplied by A dash. Ka is a matrix. Its transpose is as good as K multiplied by A dash. Whereas very modernly, remember, product AB, provided the product is defined, of course, AB dash is not A dash B dash, it is B dash A dash. Proof is beyond the requirement, but we may be asked to verify with some given matrices. Remember this, AB dash is B dash A dash. It is not A dash B dash. AB dash is B dash A dash. A minus B dash is as good as A dash minus B dash. Let us go with some example here. If A is equal to, it's a column matrix, 3 by 1 column matrix, and B is equal to 1, 0, minus 4, 1 by 3 row matrix. Prove that or verify that. This verification for the given matrix, AB dash is B dash A dash. So here to verify that our steps will be, first you find AB, take its transpose. Then you find the transpose of B, that is B dash. Then you take A dash. Then you multiply B dash into A dash. You have to show they are equal. So how to find AB dash? First you find AB. A is 3 by 1. B is 1 by 3. 3 by 1 and 1 by 3. Product will be 3 by 3. Write the two matrices to write the product. You write them side by side. A, B. You be careful about the rows and columns. First row, first column, first row, second column, like that. We go for multiplying. See how is the row? First row, first column. Only one element is there in one row, and only one element is there in that column. So when you multiply first row, first column, it's only 2 into 1. 2. First row, second column will be simply 2 into 0, 0. First row with third column, 2 into minus 4, that is minus 8. Now we go to second row, first column. Second row, first column, very simple, 1. Second row, second column, 0. Second row, third column. Second row, third column is 0 in 1 to 0, that is again 0. Second row, third column is 1 into minus 4, that is minus 4. Third row, first column, 3. Third row, second column, 0. Third row, third column, 3 into minus 4, minus 12. So this you have AB. Then what is AB dash? Interchange the rows and columns. AB dash. This 2, 0, minus 8 will be first column. 2, 1, 3 will be the first row. 2, 1, 3. Here column will be first row there. 2, 1, 3 will be first row. Second row. 0, 0, 0 is the second column here. It will go as the second row there. And minus 8, minus 4, minus 12. The third column will go on the third row. Hence we have AB dash. This B dash should be outside the bracket by mistake. B dash should be outside the bracket. This AB dash is separating mistake. Remember, it is AB dash. So now B dash. B dash is, so this dash is outside. B dash. Now B dash. What is B dash? You have B here 1, 0, minus 4. So B dash, it's a column matrix. B is a row matrix, 1 by 3. B dash is a column matrix, 1, 0, minus 4. Because we have to find B dash, A dash, first write B dash, then write A dash. A dash is 2, 1, 3. Because this is a column matrix, A is a column matrix, 2, 1, 3. So A dash is a row matrix. Now when you multiply B dash, A dash, I can skip writing this again because it's already written B dash, A dash. I can use this to multiply. Remember, I am using first row, first column, that is 2, 1. First row with first column 2, first row with the second column 1. Remember how I am getting? You know it now how to multiply. Okay, first row with the first column, that is here 2. First row with the second column, that is here 1. First row with the third column, that is here 3. Now second row with the first column, that will be 0. Second row with the second column, that's again 0. Second row with the third column is also 0, directly writing 0, 0, 0. Third row with the first column, minus 8, right? Third row with the second column, that is minus 4. Third row with the third column, that is minus 12. Do you agree that AB dash and B dash, A dash, they are, look at 2, 1, 3, 0, 0, 0, minus 8, minus 1, 12. 2, 1, 3, 0, 0, 0, minus 8, minus 1. AB dash and B dash, A dash are equal, okay? B dash, A dash is AB dash. Here you may be asked to verify with different problems only, not to make a proof for this. Well, we go for defining symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. What is a symmetric matrix? What is a skew symmetric matrix? A matrix is said to be symmetric if the matrix and its transpose are equal. That will be possible only if it's a square matrix. If it is not a square matrix, a matrix cannot be its transpose. A square matrix A is said to be symmetric if A dash is equal to A. A square matrix A is said to be symmetric if A dash A is said to be symmetric if A dash equal to A. Remember, it can happen only if it is a square matrix, but not all square matrices can be symmetric. It can be symmetric if first row and first column identical, second row and second column identical, third row and third column identical. Possible. We can construct matrix like that. We'll go for example. Or if A is equal to Aij, square matrix I have taken, so n by n is symmetric if Aj and Aij are equal. That means A12 and A21 are equal, A13 and A31 are equal, and so on. Aij, every element in first row and elements in first column are equal. All the elements in second row and second column are equal. Elements in third column, row and third column, and so on. Rows and columns are identical. The matrix will be symmetric. We have A dash equal to A. A is said to be skew symmetric if it happens that when you take the transpose, when you change the rows and column, you are getting the negative of that matrix. Matrix is said to be skew symmetric if A dash equal to minus A. Possible. Let's take an example. Or before that, A is equal to Aij is skew symmetric if Aj equal to minus Aij. If Aj equal to Aij for all Ij, it is symmetric. If Aj equal to minus Aij for all Ij, it is skew symmetric. Let's take an example. Suppose 450. You can easily observe what is the first row here. 450. What is the first column? Yes, same thing, 450. What is the second row here? Second row is again 5 to root 3. Second column, same 5 to root 3. Third row, 0 root 3 minus 1. Third column, 0 root 3 minus 1. So if we change the rows and column, or if we find A dash, you get the same. A dash is A. Therefore, A is symmetric. Okay? You can write A dash equal to the same matrix. I skip writing that. You may write A dash equal to 450, 5 to root 3, 0 root 3 minus 1, which is equal to A. I just missed writing that. You can write like that. Okay? A dash equal to 450, 5 to root 3, 0 root 3 minus 1, and that is equal to A. Therefore, A is symmetric. Now let me take a matrix B. I'm taking a 2 by 2, 3 by 3 identity square matrix. First row is 0, 3, minus 2. Look at the first column. It's a negative of that. One row and one column are negative of each other. 0, 3, minus 2. In the column I have 0, minus 3, 2. Now second row, minus 3, 0, 5. What about second column? 3, 0, minus 5. Third row, 2, minus 5, 0. And third column, minus 2, 5, 0. If we take B dash, first row, I am writing here, 0, 3, minus 2, I am writing here. Second row, minus 3, 0, 5, I am writing here. And third row, 2, minus 5, 0. Look at what I got. Here, if we take minus out from this whole matrix, what I have written here from the whole matrix, I am taking minus out. From the whole matrix, if I take minus out, I get here 0, 3, minus 2, and minus 3, 0, 5, and 2, minus 5, 0. If you take minus out, I get 0, 3, minus 0, 3, minus 2. 0, 3, minus 2. 0, 3, minus 2, right? Minus 3, 0, 5, and minus 2, 5, 0, which is nothing but minus B. Be careful about 0, 3, minus 2, taking minus out, so minus of 0, 3, minus 2, minus 3, 0, 5, 2, minus 5, 0. That's also 2 minus 5, 0. Therefore, that is equal to minus B. 2 minus 5, 0. That's equal to minus B. Okay? That's equal to minus B. So here, if we take the rows and columns in such a way that each row is a negative of the column, then it becomes skew symmetric. But did you notice that the diagonal elements are all zeros here. Diagonal elements are all zeros here. 0, 0, 0 for a skew symmetric matrix. Well, it may be asked, giving us a question, prove that all the diagonal elements of a skew symmetric matrix are zeros. Very commonly asked question. All the diagonal elements of a skew symmetric matrix are zeros. Let us take, suppose A equal to Aij. Actually, it is n by n. Be skew symmetric. You can use n by n. No need to keep m by m. M by n, you can keep n by n by n. It is a square matrix. A is equal to aij n by n. Be skew symmetric. What happens when it is skew symmetric? Aj and aij are equal. Aij equal to minus aij. Aij and aj are equal if it is symmetric. Once it is skew symmetric, aj and aij are negative of each other, or aij equal to minus aji. For all I from 1 to n, j also from 1 to n. That means when I is equal to j, see, when you have the matrix, say, see, when you have the matrix, n by n matrix, first you have a11 here, a11, then you have a12, and so on, a13, and dot dot dot. When you take the second row, a21, right? Then you have a22. What are the diagonal elements? Diagonal elements are a11, then a22, and then a33, and so on. Diagonal elements are a11, a22, a33. That means when I is equal to j, or when j is equal to I, what we are getting are diagonal elements. So when the matrix is skew symmetric, what we have is aji equal to minus aij. Right? Here we have, when j is equal to I, we have aii equal to minus aii. That means all the diagonal, aii represent the diagonal elements. So aii equal to minus aii. If you take the aii to left side, you get 2 aii equal to 0 for all I. That means aii equal to 0 for all I. Now you know aii represents the diagonal elements. That implies all the diagonal elements are zeros. It's not necessary diagonal elements are zeros means it is square. It is a skew symmetric matrix. But in a skew symmetric matrix, it is true that all the diagonal elements are zero. Okay, agreed? Well, let's understand a few points here. All the diagonal, I have written this as a not. All the diagonal elements of a skew symmetric are zeros. If a square matrix, can it be symmetric and skew symmetric? If a square matrix symmetric, so is Ka. Multiply a number with K, it's again skew symmetric. Because if a matrix is symmetric, multiply with K, it is symmetric again. Even if you multiply with a positive number, or even if you multiply with negative number, don't get confused. Suppose I may ask simply, if A is a symmetric matrix, what happens minus A? Minus A is also symmetric. Minus A will not become skew symmetric. But if A is skew symmetric, then minus A is also skew symmetric. Multiply with any non-zero, of course, K must be a non-zero number. If A is symmetric, even if K is 0, thus it will be symmetric again, don't worry. But the only thing that, look at this point. If A is symmetric, A dash is also symmetric, and if A is skew symmetric, A dash is also skew symmetric. A matrix A is symmetric and skew symmetric. Is it possible to have a matrix symmetric as well as skew symmetric? Is it possible? Can some of you answer me? Can a matrix be symmetric as well as skew symmetric? Possible. Only if it is zero matrix. Remember, a square matrix is symmetric and skew symmetric together. That is why I used the word and. Symmetric and skew symmetric if and only if it is a zero matrix. Of course, zero matrix, that's why I told when you multiply with K here, if it is a symmetric matrix, it will be symmetric, no problem, but it becomes skew symmetric also. And if it is skew symmetric, if you multiply with K, 0, it is skew symmetric again, but it can become symmetric also. A matrix can be symmetric as well as skew symmetric if and only if it is a zero matrix. Okay, it's clear? what is a symmetric matrix and the properties. A dash dash is A plus B dash is A dash plus B dash, A minus B dash is A dash minus B dash, K A dash is K A dash, whereas AB dash is B dash A dash, which we need to be verified. If A is a square matrix, then A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix. Remember something which you need to know. If A is any square matrix, you have to retain this. Then A plus A dash is symmetric, and moreover, A minus A dash is skew symmetric. Something to be remembered. I may ask you later also. We may apply it immediately by tomorrow. If A is a square matrix, then A plus A dash. Let us prove. It's a simple question. Only one step. One step proof. Suppose given A is any square matrix. Square matrix means A dash is also having the same order. I can add A plus A dash and I call that matrix A. If we want to show A plus A dash is symmetric, that means I have to show the matrix X is symmetric. How will I show the matrix X is symmetric? Matrix X is symmetric if X dash equal to X. Let's see what is X dash. X dash is A plus A dash dash. What is A plus A dash dash? You know A plus B dash is A dash plus B dash. So A plus A dash dash is A dash plus A dash dash. But what is A dash dash? A dash dash is A. So this is A dash plus A. But matrix addition is associative. So A dash plus A I can write as A plus A dash, which is nothing but X. So X dash equal to X, therefore X is symmetric. Hence X is symmetric. Or A plus A dash is. What about the second? You must write the second. You have to show that you can start with Y. Y equal to A minus A dash. You have to show that Y dash equal to minus Y, so that the matrix Y is skew symmetric. You should write it today itself. See, don't limit your job only in giving the doing the exercise which is given last. You have to make the complete knot. Then only it is complete, and then it is complete and it is perfect. There will be nothing left out. Okay. Well, we have a few questions here. A and B are given. You have to verify. A plus B whole dash is A dash plus B dash, and AB dash is B dash A dash. As a square matrix, A is a square matrix, prove that A plus A dash is symmetric. Just a minute. A plus A dash is symmetric, and A minus A dash. A plus A dash is symmetric, and A minus A dash is skew symmetric. Remember, A plus A dash is symmetric, and A minus A dash is skew symmetric. Prove that all the diagonal elements of a skew symmetric matrix are zeros. More questions? P is a symmetric matrix. Show that AB A dash is also symmetric, provided the product is defined. See, I am putting you to think put your mind. If B is any symmetric matrix, no matter whatever is A, the only thing that AB A dash must be defined. If so, then AB A dash is also symmetric. Further, if B is skew symmetric matrix, show that AB A dash is also skew symmetric. You must do it today itself. If you don't get, you report to me. 63. Very interesting question. Find the value of X, Y, and Z so that A dash A is an identity matrix where A is given matrix 0 to Y Z, X, Y minus Z, X minus Y Z. A dash A equal to I. Let me see how many of you bring the answers to me. A dash A is I. I is here. Identity matrix of order 3, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Remember, it was asking board also several times. Find the values of X, Y, and Z so that A dash A equal to I. That's all for the day. Don't go away. Let me take that minutes. I haven't taken that minutes. Okay. Let me see how many of you are present. I think all are present here. Okay. Well, we'll meet back tomorrow.